Hi, quick video on how to use a chip resetter, a hobby print chip resetter. If I just show you the resetter, you've got your contact pins here that come into contact with the chip on the cartridge. You've got an indicator light here that will flash between red and green, and you have a guide. The guide would go on, and I know it's difficult to show you exactly, but the guide would slot in here, and you'll see from when I go to set the chip how that operates. Let's just fire that on. So, what are we doing? This is single-use compatible chip. These pins are going to contact this, and I'll take it through so you can see what goes on. There's a red light, goes to green, and that's it, it's reset. We also get situations sometimes where the resetters don't come with the guides. If that happens, it's not difficult to do. Just guide your pins on. And there it is, it's reset. One further thing I want to show you is you get large cartridges, large capacity cartridges, and Epson. It's an Epson original cartridge with an Epson original chip, and there's a groove in there. All you would do to reset that again is using it, guiding everything in, and there it is, it's reset. It is as simple as that. Hope it helps. Thanks.